We have placed the planets in the solar system according to their positions relative to the Moon. We have positioned all the planets according to their diameters. This way, you can see how large each planet appears from Earth. The planetary proportions are consistent. The Moon from Earth, Mercury from Earth, Venus from Earth, Mars from Earth, Jupiter from Earth, Saturn from Earth, Uranus from Earth, Neptune from Earth, Pluto from Earth. Science Light Channel will continue to work hard to prepare special and interesting scientific videos for you. Subscribing to our channel and supporting us makes us happy. This way, we can bring you even more impressive scientific content. We hope to see you in our next exciting video. Thanks to you, we've already started to grow. Thank you.